Hello.
Oh, hi, it's Sarah from David Davis. That's Sam.
Hi Sarah, yeah it is.
You're all completed.
I know, Sarah's so excited.
Hi, Katie.
Hello.
Yeah, if you want to go down to the Eccleston office, your keys will be ready for collection.
Oh, thanks so much, Sarah.
All right, congratulations both.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Sarah.
Enjoy, take away the bottle of wine.
We will. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
So, are we excited? We own a house! Slow down, you're gonna crash. Whew. So, me and Sam are picking up the keys to our new purchased house. We've been waiting so long for it, and today's the day. The estate agents just rang me and we're ready to go. That's it.
You're going to give everyone a nice run through.
I'm going to give you a tour of before and after because it needs a lot of work.
Before and after.
I'm too excited. We own a house. We own a house. Let's see what's in here. Oh, we've got a £30 voucher.
Where for?
Away. AO.
Off orders over £299.
Oh, should we have a beer? Should we have a bevy? Right, I've got your present.
What? What?
Oh, that.
Put it on the floor.
Right, so I've got your present, but I've had to reorder it again because she's put my name on it instead of yours. Okay? So I've reordered it. It says our first home.
What does yours say?
So so I've said you've done the order wrong, so they're coming tomorrow. It says the date today and Samuel and Katie. Our first home.
Let's have a look at that a sec.
Do you love it?
Yeah. Now come on.
Right, I'm coming. Woohoo!
It's here, obviously, it's the front door currently, but we are getting a new door because, well, it's glass and it's easy to break in.
We're getting a new stairs because these
Aren't suitable for the woofers.
then come into the kitchen. This wall's been knocked down.
Eventually.
Come here. This wall's been knocked down, and then we're gonna have an open plan kitchen, dining room. This wall is getting thingied up. This is our little cute living room. We're gonna have a lovely log burner in here. And the dog's gonna have a cute little window seat where they can see it all the world.
It's my house and I live here. So we've just got to the top of the stairs.
Right, so the bathroom. Oh, it's cold in here. The bathroom, I want a big...
Smelly bath.
What do you call it?
A freestanding
A
bath.
big freestanding bath. And I want it all vintage in here. This is going to be... We don't know what this is yet, do we?
Well, it's a spare bedroom.
It's going to be probably the baby's room when we have a kid.
It's got a nice, I don't know what you'd call that, retro built-in wardrobe.
Our room. And again, I'm going to get a window seat so we can sit there and have coffee in the morning. And then our box room.
What's this here?
It's a chandelier. This is going to be my makeup room and your getting ready room.
Alright.
Yeah.
You need to show garden in a minute.
Oh yeah. So I'll show you the garden shortly. This is our huge, I mean huge garage. It goes all the way 1 minute down to the garden. Oh, there's some weights there. Look how big it is. Is that a joke? There's some weights there. Some logs for our log burner. Just going to show them the garden, Sammy boy. Sam's found another log that looks rotted. This is our garden. Look how cute it is. I can't wait to do this in summer. And that's our little house. So it is day 3 of the home renovation. I think the first day we were so excited. We just got so much done, and the second day I did the same. So I didn't vlog where we're up to, but I'm just going to show you around now and show you what I've done. So this is our bedroom. We've ripped all the floor out. There's 3 types of floor underneath. That's all been ripped out. Wardrobes have been gone. Everything dismantled. Today I'm going to do the wallpaper. And then this room.
I'm just thinking how I'm going to get these down.
I'll help you. Yeah, but don't worry, we'll leave them till last. Just prop them up. This room we've Sam smashed. Sam has smashed. Are they okay there? Sam smashed the wardrobes up. Flooring's up.
You can start doing that paper if you want. If you want to take it down.
And then I'm just going to show downstairs. Flooring's up in the landing, in the hallway. We've just had the joiner come and measure the stairs because we're getting new stairs. And then in here, this is the living room. We've done so much. Bearing in mind we've only had the place like 48 hours. Again, there was things ripped up. What the hell is he doing? I honestly wondered what that was. That's basically how Sam works, lobbing things out the window. Anyway, we've done loads in here. I've ripped some of the wallpaper off. Oh, look, he's just throwing things out the window. Again, there was 3 lots of things on the floor. So literally, we've done so much. We've had the property like 48 days and we've done 48 hours. We've done so much. I'm gonna do some dreaded wallpaper steaming today, and I will catch up with you when we've done a bit more of the house. I'm so happy that we own a house. I'll talk to you later. So it is I think it's day 4 now we've had the house. I've got bags under my eyes because I'm knackered. I'm here 8:10 every morning till at least 5 o'clock, and then there's not much to do because it's pitch black and the electrics aren't very good in this house. But for 4 days we've done so much, so I'll do you a little walk through what we've done. It's mad what you can achieve like in literally 4 days. I've pulled me back, so I've come today, everyone else is at work. I've come today and I've tackled the garden. I'll just show you what I've done in the garden. So all at the back there was a massive hedge. You could not see that fence. So I've basically cut all that down, ripped it all up and put it in the garage. So you can see the back fence now, which is good, so the dogs have got more space to run. There's just a little shed in that corner, and that's a massive conifer, and then that's all ivy. So I am not strong enough, so I need someone to knock that shed down and then rip this ivy off, and then we're going to get obviously new fence panels because there's holes in them ones, and the little dogs, they'll just get through. But yeah, the garden looks already bigger. That took me forever this morning. Anyway, I'll take you a little run through, and then I'm gonna go home and actually sort the other house out because that's a mess. Yeah, so this is the hallway. Not sure when you seen it last, so if I'm repeating myself, I apologise. So the carpet, underlay and lino are now up. All the carpet orange spike things, I'm not actually sure what they're called, they've all been ripped up with a crowbar. These stairs are getting ripped out, so we're leaving them for now. Then we'll come into the living room. It's completely steamed now of wallpaper, the whole thing. All the floors up, all the skirting boards are up. Yeah, that's it. So we're literally just waiting for the electrician to come and the plumber to get all the gas and electric sorted. So that's where we're up to in this room. That light's coming down, and the walls and roof is getting plastered. Not much has happened in this second bit. Literally just ripped the floor up, pulled a bit of the wallpaper off the roof. Obviously you would have seen what Sam did, because he's a dope. Yeah, so that's that for here. Go into the kitchen. Obviously not much has happened in the kitchen because for now we're living with it, so nothing really has happened. This is where I just keep all the treats for all the builders, and I need to get my kettle. So let's go upstairs with these hideous groovy stairs. So box room, again not much has happened. We've just ripped the carpet up and that's it really for this room. Main bedroom, we're just starting steaming the wallpaper off. So we've done this wall and a bit of this wall, but it's like wood chip wallpaper. It will not come off. So I think I'm going to tackle that this week, because we're moving in 2 weeks and I want this room like kind of finished, but I don't know if that will happen. Anyway, plasterboard has been ripped out, and there the steel you can see. All the skirting boards have been ripped out apart from the ones that have live sockets on, and then we're waiting for the plasterers to come. So that's that in this room. I ripped up this landing this morning, and then in here, second bedroom, we're getting a new window for that because it's broke. But yeah, this is all our stuff. There's the new radiators, and then I'll just show you the garden from up here. Look out. So this is the whole garage. Like it's like there. You can just walk down to the very bottom. So that's getting knocked down eventually. And then we're gonna have all this open space for the doggos. Yeah, but that's it. I'm literally gonna go home now because I've been here every day non-stop. I'm gonna go home, do some washing, clean the other house. And then I'm gonna take Jasper to the vets because I think he's got an ear infection. You can see where I've put plug light switch. Yeah, but that's it for now. I'll probably see you on my next vlog. Stay tuned for home renovations part 2. Yeah, see you later.